Don't waste any shots on nothing.
How are you, sir?
Well, I've got 5 PEP officers at my stand, including Mr. Reeves. How are you all today?
Sergeant Bayron, Officer Weatherly, Officer Lewis, Officer Torres.
I'm going to assume that you're here to buy some art. Am I correct in that assumption?
No, you're not correct.
You're here to harass me?
No, sir. No.
You're here to illegally violate my constitutional rights? Let me show you all something.
Are these both your tables?
No. This is a memo from the PEP commander, okay, Raymond Brown, that says what the rights of artists are to sell in parks. I can sell in any park in New York City. I'm set up here completely legally. I have a legal size display. As you can see, I'm completely out of the walkway, not blocking anything, I'm not harassing anybody. Nothing's on the floor. And I have this PEP memo that says that I can sell. So if you give me a summons, you're violating a federal court order. And I will sue you. I'd prefer not to. I'm not here to make any trouble. I'm here to exercise my constitutional rights, as 7 different courts ordered I'm allowed to do in any park. So if your supervisors are ordering you to summons or arrest me, it's just like if the Army gave soldiers orders to shoot civilians. You are not obligated to follow that order. If you're being ordered to summons or arrest me, you're violating the Parks Department rules, New York City law, the New York State Constitution, the federal Constitution, and a federal court order. Look at this New York Times article. Judge bars permit requirement for art vendors. Every park in New York that affects, as Mr. Reeves well knows. So before you get yourself into some unfortunate mess, consider what I'm saying. If you doubt it, look at the memo, which is right in my hand. Look at the New York Times article. I'm not giving you a bunch of nonsense. I'm telling you this for your own benefit, not for mine.
You explain there's a difference in this park and other parks.
Show me in writing in the park's rules where there's any reference to I can't sell on the Highline. The sign that's downstairs says no unpermitted vending. It doesn't say no vending. And I'm exempt from the permit. You don't need to be a lawyer to understand this.
Based on a conversation with our legal department, I'm here to tell you that
your legal department, which arrested me 35 times before and lost every lawsuit I brought.
That's not your table over there?
That is not my table. That's Jack Nesbitt's table. He's photographing this.
That's your table over there?
It's Jack Nesbitt's.
That's your table, sir? It's your table, sir? Yes. All right, so we're going to ask you to leave now. We're going to ask you to back up your items to leave. If you fail, either one of you fail to obey the officers, then you're going to be placed under arrest and taken to prison.
You could just go to arrest us right off the bat, huh?
Well, we can give you a criminal court summons and you can leave, or we can take you to the prison.
Well, it's like this. Just like these officers don't have to obey an illegal order from their superior, I am not obligated to obey an illegal order from any police official. Now, if you gave me a legal order, I might be obligated to obey it, but you're giving me a completely illegal order.
No. You do have to obey a police officer when they ask you to ask something.
So if a cop tells me to jump in front of a car, I have to do it? I'm just trying to get what you're saying.
For the last time, sir.
I'm just trying to get what you're saying.
Are you going to back up and leave?
I have every right to be here, and I fully intend to stay here as long as I'm able, which from the